Hi folks. Looking forward to connect with Senior SQA Engineer for a leading Australian-based company job requirements, deep experience in web, desktop, API, and mobile applications testing, experience of Selenium, Cypress, Appium, hands-on experience with agile toolsets like JIRA and Azure, experience with database testing, CD, AWS. Performance testing experience using JMeter, Postman, JIRA, Trello. Create release documentation and collaborate with stakeholders on creating timely deliverables. Conduct system performance testing to ensure system reliability, capacity, and scalability. Analyze test results and coordinate with development teams for defect fixes. Interfaces with team to ensure thorough end-to-end testing experience. 4+ years work mode. RemoteSalary. Up to 300k. Please share your resume at anum@ourways.co.com or DM.